I've been a patient since I think maybe about 4 months ago, 6 months ago. I think I found them on internet. The treatments I had were the PRP and the MBS for my knee. How I found Dr. W was I had enough of trying to find doctors in Vancouver to do this procedure, and I actually found him the internet and just called him up one day and asked if they did this procedure, and he seemed to be the only one in town, and it was just a lucky of the draw. I noticed an improvement in my knee probably within 5 days. You know, the pain started subsiding that I was having to take all these painkillers for, and it just got better, plain and simple. There's nothing I can say. I mean, pretty awesome. The treatment that I received from Dr. Wikenheiser didn't interrupt any of my activities. Just continued going on. The only thing I wasn't allowed to do is some cardio, and just allowed 3 weeks, I think it was, to let things start re-healing. You don't want to disrupt it while you're healing, so that was the only protocol I had to follow. I was back to doing normal things within probably 2 weeks, 3 weeks with the working out with the cardio, but work-wise, next day, no problem. I have nothing but told everybody about this treatment and how well I've done from it and reacted to it. I know that not everybody is going to be a candidate for it, but if we can help people with this kind of procedure, I'm all about it. It's changed my life. The most positive part of the treatment is not taking painkillers, because that gets a little bit tough. I would tell everybody that I could about the PRP injections and the procedure, just because it's changed my life dramatically for the positive. But when I went to my knee specialist and I had my MRI done, they told me that my knee was macerated, and the only options I had was to stop what I was doing, my livelihood, the only other answer he could give me was that he could scrape my knee, but he said the problem, the osteoarthritis, will return. And after that point, I was a little bit depressed and did some research and found about this procedure. So I just, there is hope for people that have issues like this. And you know, I was very blessed and very happy that I found this procedure, because it has changed my life completely.